Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to CapCut on Android. Video editing can seem like a giant puzzle at first, but once you know where the pieces go, it is just like playing a game. Think of CapCut like a digital sandbox. You can chop things up, add explosions, color grade, and make magic happen right from your phone.
I want to believe that you already have CapCut installed on your phone. If not, go to Google Play Store or App Store and download it. You will have to click on New Project to open your first awesome video. When you open it, you're going to see all of these clips right here. And when you click on any one, you're going to see the little add button right there. When you click on it, it's going to upload like this. Now, when you open it, before you start cutting, chopping your video, this is the screen layout. Or before we start cutting, now you are going to have this in two parts, right? The first is the preview window. That's the top half. This is your TV screen. It shows you exactly what your video looks like at the exact second. Now, then below here, you have the timeline. That's the middle part. This is the most important part. It looks like a long film strip. This is where your video clips sit and where you would do all your chopping and changing.
Why do